I'm in the Ozark National Forest of Arkansas, checking out the swimming hole. The water is incredibly clear and it creates an illusion of shallowness, where the dark part that you see is actually about 7 feet deep. A couple of ropes hanging from the tree allows you to swing out from the bank and drop down into the swimming hole. What a great spot. This huge boulder and strata of probably limestone rock is slowly being undercut by the stream. It sort of diverts the water outward. I got a little careless in my drone flying and got a bit too close to the big rock. You got to be careful with these drones. They'll get away from you sometime. My drone bounced off the rock and into the water. Suddenly, a whole new world shows up, the world of the creek. The sunlight beams illuminate the many creatures and suspended particles in the clear creek. Lucky for me, the clear water enabled me to see the drone sitting on the bottom. I kicked off my shoes and emptied my pockets and dove down for it. It was about 7 feet below, and I retrieved it on the first try. Next, I removed the battery and the SD card, then wiped off all water and put it in front of a fan for an hour. I put a new battery in and did a test flight, and yay, it worked! I was very relieved about that. So these Maverick Minis are pretty tough.